welcome to Studio de Sol. My name is Lena, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I made that basket using just the rope and the glue gun. So yeah, let's get started.
Using a bucket as a base, I'm attaching pieces of newspaper to the bottom of the bucket to create a curve. Then I'm covering the bucket with a plastic wrap. After I'm done creating the base, I started braiding the rope until I have enough of it to cover the base. Using a glue gun, I started gluing the side of the rope, creating a spiral shape. Continue the spiral around the bucket until I'm reaching the rim. Once I'm finished, I cut the edges of the rope and tuck the split ends underneath and gluing it. Then I'm removing the bucket and newspaper. To give it a finished look, removing extra glue and a plastic wrap. I'm keeping some of the plastic wrap on the bottom because I'm going to use the bucket as a pot for my palm tree. Then I'm adding glue to the spots I missed, and we're all done. Thank you so much for watching.